Hey guys, we're going to show you how to make chicken tikka masala, just like the one you have at the Indian restaurants. So what we've got here, we've got our a masala sauce, we've got some chicken tikka ready made, we've got some single cream, sugar, coconut powder and almond powder, and of course we've got some base gravy ready as well. So yeah, having said that, let's go and make our chicken tikka masala. Okay, we're going to cook our chicken tikka masala. To start off with, what we're going to do, we're just going to add a tiny bit of ghee. We're going to add some base gravy. So 1 chef spoon of coconut powder and half a chef spoon of almond powder. We're going to add our chicken tikka, and we're going to bring this to a boil, and that's your chicken tikka masala done. Right, let's plate this up now. Chicken tikka masala, it's all done for you. So this is the consistency you want. Keep the heat low to medium purely because it's just going to splatter everywhere. So it might take a bit longer to cook for this chicken tikka masala, but it's well worth it. At least you won't have the red chicken tikka masala sauce everywhere in your kitchen. Now with this masala sauce, you can actually make vegetable vegetable tikka masala. You can make paneer tikka masala. So it's just a sauce. Add what you want in it. It's absolutely fine. It's exactly how we do it at the restaurant as well. We'll make a big tub of this sauce, and then we just add, as I've just shown you, the chicken tikka, or the vegetable, or the lamb tikka, and so forth. There you go. Hey guys, it's Babel here from the Bengali Cook. Thanks ever so much for watching our videos, and listen up, please like and subscribe to our channels using the link below, and of course remember to set those notifications.